What's going on, YouTubers? Here we got a 2020 Cfmoto 600, and it had cooling issues. The fan wouldn't cut on sometimes, it would overheat, so I got tired of the issues and problems. So what I did is I got down to the front of the fuse panel here. You can buy these at AutoZone. It's where you can add a fuse to the link. So what I did to the fan relay is I unhooked the fuse from it here. Then I got a double fuse here, which means basically I tied it into the ignition because I wanted my four-wheeler to always have air. So what happens now is when you cut the four-wheeler on, the fan always stays running. Never had a cooling problem with it before after this, so suggest you guys want a quick upgrade. It's real simple. Just go to AutoZone or Advanced, Napa, or wherever. It's about a split all apart. You just tie it into your wire right here. This is your fan wire. You just get your hot and your ground, and it goes right to your ignition. Please subscribe.